Hello friends. I am here to talk about the points to remember while preparing for competitive exams. Preparing for competitive exams can be a challenging and stressful process, and it requires a great deal of preparation and dedication to succeed. However, there are certain points that you should keep in mind while preparing for these exams, and I would like to share them with you today. Understand the exam pattern and syllabus. The first and most important point to remember while preparing for competitive exams is to thoroughly understand the exam pattern and syllabus. It is important to know the type of questions that are asked in the exam, the marking scheme, and the time allotted for each section. This will help you prepare a proper study plan and allocate time accordingly. Additionally, it is important to be familiar with the syllabus and the topics that will be covered in the exam. You should make a list of all the topics and subtopics and prioritize them based on their importance and your level of understanding. Create a study plan. The second point to remember is to create a study plan and stick to it. A study plan is a schedule that outlines the topics that you need to cover and the time that you will dedicate to each topic. This will help you stay organized and focused and ensure that you cover all the topics before the exam. When creating your study plan, make sure to allocate time for revision and practice tests. This will help you consolidate your learning and identify areas that require further improvement. Practice previous year's question papers. The third point to remember is to practice previous year's question papers. This will give you an idea of the type of questions that are asked in the exam and help you understand the level of difficulty. Additionally, practicing previous year's question papers will help you improve your time management skills and increase your speed and accuracy. Take regular breaks. The fourth point to remember is to take regular breaks. Studying for long hours without any breaks can lead to fatigue and decreased productivity. Taking regular breaks can help you recharge and stay focused. You can take short breaks of 5 to 10 minutes after every hour of study or take a longer break of 30 minutes after every 3 to 4 hours of study. Stay focused. The fifth point to remember is to stay focused. It is important to avoid distractions and stay focused on your studies. This means avoiding social media, television, and other distractions during your study time. You can also create a study space that is free from distractions and conducive to learning. Seek help when needed. The sixth point to remember is to seek help when needed. If you are struggling with a particular topic or concept, do not hesitate to seek help from your teachers or mentors. You can also join study groups or online forums to discuss and clarify your doubts. Take care of your health. The seventh point to remember is to take care of your health. It is important to eat a healthy diet, exercise regularly, and get enough sleep. Taking care of your physical and mental health is crucial for maintaining your motivation and focus during the preparation process. Stay positive. The final point to remember is to stay positive. Maintaining a positive attitude can help you overcome obstacles and setbacks that you might encounter along the way. Instead of giving up or getting discouraged, try to stay positive and focus on finding solutions to the problems that you are facing. In conclusion, preparing for competitive exams requires a great deal of preparation and dedication. By understanding the exam pattern and syllabus, creating a study plan, practicing previous year's question papers, taking regular breaks, staying focused, seeking help when needed. At the end, always remember, the expert in anything was once a beginner. Make sure to like this video and comment below if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.